How a parent's alcohol use can affect you as an adult. One misinterpretation that many individuals having liquor addiction have is that their drinking isn't influencing any other person. Obviously, that is false, and children of alcoholic parents are mostly affected by that toxic environment created by the parent in the family. Relatively few children manage to get away unscathed from the impacts of a heavy drinker parent. The capricious climate, absence of trust, relationship difficulties, and dread can incredibly twist a youngster who relies upon their parents for physical and emotional security. The environment at home shapes a child the way he behaves, talks, and functions in the outside world. If they get a safe and balanced child-parent relationship, it makes their upbringing healthy, with valuable teachings in regard to the family and society they have to function in. But on the counter side, if they get a toxic environment with traumatic events in their childhood and parents having involved in heavy alcohol or substance use, it gives them lifelong issues like anxiety disorders, sociopathy, feeling unsafe in every situation. There are assumed to be two types of fates for the children who had their upbringing in such an environment. 1. They become alcoholic like their parents. In such a case, environment is not the only factor for children to follow in the footsteps of their parents, but genetics also plays a huge role. Children with alcoholic parents may get a genetic predisposition for alcohol abuse. According to studies, the risk for alcohol addiction increases to double if there is a family history of such a condition. In other cases, they can be influenced by the habits of their parents and choose the same lifestyle, not knowing what else to do, as that was the only kind of lifestyle they had witnessed in their family. A child may end up mirroring the same behavior pattern as the alcoholic parent. Additionally, the trauma of physical and emotional abuse often triggers the child to opt for addiction, as that turns out to be the only thing for them to help deal with the amount of stress and abuse they had to suffer, with an even poorer emotional, physical, social, and intellectual outcome. This is termed as post-traumatic stress disorder. 2. They mature early. Adults in families with a liquor habit might need to mature at an accelerated pace. In these families, kids might need to take on a guardian job for their parents or kin. Albeit expecting this kind of family job very early on could be a ton of stress and pressure. Some positive personality qualities can develop in such individuals. These influences incorporate flexibility, sympathy, responsibility, determination, resilience, and assurance. But this doesn't mean that it is a good thing for them. They had to go through a hellish experience to achieve such a level of mindset and suffer from a lack of security, reliance, and love that they deserved at their young age. They have to set an example for themselves, as there was no guidance or footsteps that were worth following while growing up. Breaking through all the hardships, low self-worth and self-esteem, feelings of inadequacy, difficulty in social interaction, and making friends does extensive harm to their mental health.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.